Okay, so I have rolled out the cumin dough. It's an egg dough. Nice and flat. Got some good bubbles in there. Okay, so we got the toppings on there. Now we need to cut it and roll it. Slice, slice. Alright. I rolled these up as best as I could. It's kind of hard to get them just picture perfect. But we'll see how these turn out. Mashallah. Alright, fresh from the oven. The aroma is tantalizing. We will let these cool down. Bite into them and see what has come of it. Mashallah, the flavor is wonderful. The dough is soft. The cumin is a nice contrast with the pickled jalapeños. On the inside, I put sour cream and cream cheese mixture, and that contrasts really well with the cheddar. And I did put some vinegar, like a little bit of white vinegar in the dough to give it some tang. Not too much, but subhanallah. Whew, I like it a lot. Perfect for when you want something a little bit spicy, but a little bit savory. The tomatoes are a nice touch. Hopefully you can try it too.